Hey guys, this is kind of from the shop Houston. Today we have the G82 M4 in the shop. This is going to be the start of a multi-part series where we take you through the steps of every package that we have available, just to show you the data, the performance, and you get to experience it firsthand. So stay tuned and let's get started. All right, so to begin, we're going to be working on removing the DME. First thing you want to do is open the hood and open the trunk. We're going to work in the battery area first, get that disconnected before we touch any of these electronics. What we're going to need here is going to be a 10 mil and a plastic tool to pull the sub panel up. You can use a flathead as well, but I feel a little bit better using a plastic tool. It's going to be safer. All right, now we're just going to pull it out. Now that we have this sub panel out, we can have access to the battery. So we're going to take our 10 millimeter ratchet. We're going to loosen the ground cable, disconnect it, and set it to the side. To get to the DME, we have to remove this crossbar. There's two 15 millimeter nuts. So we're going to go ahead and remove those now, just get it out of the way. Now with that removed, this plastic panel just pulls up. They have like these little plastic tabs that go into some rubber and they pull up, no problem. Pro tip, anytime you're working on anything with the ECU, especially when there's multiple connections, I always recommend you take a photo. So we're going to go ahead and snap a photo, just so we can reference it later if we need to. And we'll get started removing these connections. So front to back. So now we have all these large connectors out of the way. We also need to remove these smaller ones. They have safety clips you have to pull up on before you can remove them. These go in the same order that these larger connectors are on, so you can snap a photo if you need to, but otherwise, if you just remember they're in the same order, it should be relatively easy for you. Extremely helpful. You can use a pick and pull up lightly on this, and that unlocks them. The other two connectors we got to remove, which is the same thing with these clips, they're going to be here. As you can see, they go over the ECU, so can't really pull them out with them in the way, so we just got to remove those as well. Got all these connections out of the way. We just have one more, just harness that goes across right here. It's a connector. Right here, it's top and bottom. You just got to push them in, and it pulls out. The ECU is held in by two retention clips for the housing that it slides into. So one of the things you can do is you can just stick a plastic tool in between to separate these clips. And now you can pull it out. So now that you have the DME out, before you send it to us for the femto unlock, you're going to want to get a piece of paper, post-it note, something, attach it to the back of this, put your name, phone number, as well as a full VIN, and package it up and ship it to us, and we'll take care of the process. Pretty much have the car back together now. Reinstall is really just a reversal. So ECU, connectors, plastic cover, bar across, battery, and you're good to start the car back up. At this point, you're ready to apply the tune. So feel free to reach out if you guys have any questions, or if you guys want to get set up with a Pro Tune, just shoot us an email, give us a call, and we'll get you set up. Stay tuned for the next episode.